खरें म्हणल्यार आजच्या कार्यक्रमाक स्पेशल आमी इम्पॉर्टन्स दिवपाक जाय. आजच्या कार्यक्रमाचे जर खरे हिरो कोण आनी खरे जर ताळयो कोणाक मारपाक जाय आसत जाल्यार आय थिंक डॉक्टर अंकुश देसाय आसतलो, डॉक्टर एडवीन आसतलो, ऑल द मेडिसिन मोस्ट क्लास फॉर दॅट. Those people are working specially for the diabetes, all that medicine team of the GMC and all the health services. तांच्या खातीर आमी सगळ्या व्हडल्यान नेटान ताळयो मारपाक जाय. तांकां लागूनच हो प्रोग्राम सक्सेसफूल करपा खातीर म्हणजे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर बाब विश्वजीत राणे हांच्यांनी इनिशिएटिव्स घेतला. कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन्स फॉर द विश्वजीत राणे एंड द टीम ऑफ ऑल द टीम विच इज वर्किंग इन स्पेशली. गोंय हें देशांतलें पयलें राज्य जातलें. आमकां अभिमानान सांगपाक मेळटलें की आमचे कडेन डायबेटीक रजिस्ट्री आसा. बट ताज्या बरोबर एक सांगपाक मेळपा जाय. हांव आतां थोडोसो भिलो. कित्याक सांगता, हांव विश्वजीत सांगता आसतना म्हाका म्हणपाक अरावंड 10% आसतले बीन म्हणून. बट ताणें फिगर सांगल्या पळय 20% मोर दॅन दॅट यू आर टोल्ड. म्हणजे 15 लाख गोंयकारांच्या मदीं फाल्यां सकाळीं जर आमकां 2 ते 2.5 लाख पेशंट जर डायबेटीक मेळ्ळे, खरोखरूच म्हणजे एकदम भिवपा सारकी गजाल आसा. लायफस्टायल डिसीज आसा म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता गोंयांत हाजो रेट जर आमी पयलीं पळयलो म्हाका दिसता मान्य जातलें. हाजो रेट कदाचित इट इज नॉट मोर दॅन 5%.
We cannot forget is Dr. Ankush Desai, who came and started this program in the state of Goa and from AIMS. And most importantly, along with him, the head of Department of Medicine and all our doctors, Dr. Edwin and all other doctors and doctors from the health services also who put this program together along with Novo Nordisk. And the way forward in creating a total diabetic care platform, the whole intention of this platform was to see that we give relief to the people of the state of Goa. All of us know that there are different diseases, different types of diseases on the rise. We also know that diabetes is a silent killer and it virtually damages and ruins families across the board. And hence, it's not only the role of the government headed by our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, to initiate such programs or Novo Nordisk to partner with us, but it's also so important for all the doctors, all the people from the nursing fraternity, the MPHWs, the Anganwadi workers, the Anganwadi teachers, the Mukhya Sevikas, our various head of departments to create that type of awareness that is required, and we need to send this message across. I think Goa, under the leadership of our Chief Minister, is the only government in this country to have initiated this type of a diabetic care platform. We are the only state that is giving free insulin to the patients, where I don't think you will find this type of arrangement anywhere in the country.
Today's function, we have just started a diabetes registry for the state of Goa. The main objective of this registry is to make sure that all patients who have possibly a condition like diabetes have now the opportunity to be a part of this registry, which is actually supported by the government of Goa also. So what will this registry do? The registry will help a lot of patients not only to get registered but also get a structured approach towards getting a sort of care with the government as actually planned for. So to start with, the healthcare professionals of all the government hospitals in Goa will be trained to enter patient records and also have a follow-up process by which these patients can be followed up for a very long period of time. We are very happy today that the registry, as well as the launch of this registry will also be very well popular for the simple reason we also have a celebrity like Anil Kumble, who is also an ambassador for changing diabetes, who has given his sort of the might to actually sort of try and talk about what the disorder is.
Melvin mentioned I've been associated with Novo Nordisk for the last 3 years, and changing diabetes is something that is very close to my heart, and I've seen friends and family suffer with diabetes, and not just when it actually was detected. I think that's the critical aspect here. India is one of the capitals of diabetes. We don't want to be called that. That's something that can only change with awareness, with lifestyle changes, modifications in diet, exercise regimes, making it a part of your lifestyle. So that's something that I believe in, and I want to create awareness. Of course, your contribution as media is extremely important to spread this awareness.
So do you think that this diabetes increased because of lack of exercise between the youth, the students in the schools? So
Yeah, it is one of the aspects. We all grew up playing on the streets. In big cities, that is a huge challenge because of the traffic that prevails now. You can't play on the streets. You have to find a field. That again is a challenge. And then the other challenges with your mobile phones, your other gamings that have come in. Not many kids go out into the sun and play a sport. So I think it's important to just go out there and then have fun. That should be a part and parcel of childhood. Unfortunately, we don't see that happening that often. So yes, that's something that I strongly want to create awareness so that we go out there and then play any sport, doesn't matter what you want to play. Make it a part of your lifestyle. That will certainly help in addressing this issue and perhaps delaying the inevitable at some point if you have it in your family. So it's important that one needs to lead a very active lifestyle, and that's something that I want to propagate.